Hey guys and gals, it's Breezy again. We're back with another video. Last video, I told y'all I was gonna be a makeup tutorial, but it ain't. I'm sorry, but y'all gonna see how my makeup look. Yay! And I'm gonna show you how I put the beads on the two hanging parts of my hairstyle, I guess. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Go like my page. That's what I'm saying. And go follow me on Instagram at it's.breeg. I'm a little slow with this right now, but here are the beads. I just got some cute little gold beads. I think gold is my favorite metal. And I got like I found some cute like cream white rubber bands. And then this is the tool that you use to put the beads on to your hair. Yeah, these are like, you know, like the little kitty beads you get for your kids, your little cousins, whatever, that we used to wear as kids. I just went and got those. And so I forgot how to use this little, you know, instrument tool. But, oh, I did do it wrong anyway. But I'm going to add a little moisturizer to my locks. Let's see these little pieces right here. I guess they was feeling a little dry. I don't know. But yeah, we're going to add a little bit of my Design Essentials. I think it's coconut. Is it coconut? It's not coconut Manoy, but I love Design Essentials products. But this ain't how you do it, girl. It's not how you do it. Let's see. It's not how you do it, boo. I literally forgot how to do it, so I gotta have a moment of, this ain't seeming right. Y'all know. Girl. Literally forgot how to do this. Gotta think. So since then, I have done the look with beads all over my locks. So if you want to see it, go over to my TikTok, Breeg, to check it out. But I think I finally got it, y'all. Like, so you're supposed to put the beads on the tool first and then do it like that, right? I think that's what I'm doing right now. I don't know what I'm doing right now. My lashes look good. I miss lash extensions. Anyway, I think I finally figured it out. I don't know what I'm doing, y'all. I'm sorry. I don't know what I'm doing. I think I'm still going through like yeah. Got it. So you put the beads on first. Like that. And then push them down over the opening. My nails are so cute too. Y'all, I'm going through it. I don't have nails. I don't have lashes or anything. I don't want y'all to look at me. Don't look at me. Oh, gosh. Oh. But yeah. So then you put your hair through the actual little loop like we did at the beginning, except I didn't have the beads on yet. Like that. And then you're just going to pull the beads up and like make sure like you get it on like a thinner part of your lock. Like try to get it on the very end because it's really hard. It's really hard to try to put it on there on the thick part. So you saw I kind of scooted it down. And then you just slide it on, and there you have it, you guys. The beads are on the lock. Yeah. And so you're going to slide down that bottom bead. No matter how many beads you got, just go ahead and slide down that bottom bead. And then you're going to flip up the end of your hair. And then you're going to put on the rubber band. So I got the little white rubber bands just because I thought it matched. You know, it was a little less noticeable with the color of my locks, right? And I like them better than the clear ones because the clear ones pop. They're cute and you can't really see them, but they pop when they get hot because they are like plastic. So there. Ain't it cute, y'all? Like I said, I think gold is like my favorite metal color. You see I got like the little gold things in my hair, so I was like, why not get gold? And I'm kind of stepping out of that stage where I'm ashamed to mix my metals, you know, because I think I put on some silver hoops with this. And I'm still trying to figure out how I feel about wearing like bigger earrings when I have beads on the side of my hair, because I feel like it kind of like clashes, right? I don't know, y'all tell me what y'all think, but I think it clashes. So like usually when I put like 2 locks down on either side of my ears, I usually wear like little studs, because I just feel like the studs don't clash with the, I don't know, maybe I'm thinking too hard. I don't know, y'all get what I'm trying to say. Yeah, I hope y'all get what I'm trying to say. So booyah, like both of them on there. That was a little easier because I had to, go through a little thought process. And so now what I'm about to do, let's see. Oh, of course, my edge control. Got my cream of nature, gonna have my gorilla snot, my brush, all that. And my hair still has a little bit of product in it from when I did it the night before, when I first did it on these previous videos, because I thought I was going out. But I did it because my friend went nigged on me. But it's okay. It's all right. I just hate getting ready. And then, like, you get in the mood to go out. I go out, but I'm mostly a homebody. So when I'm in the mood to go out, I'm getting cute, I'm about to hot fresh, and then the plans get canceled, I be hurt. Like, I be in my feelings. I be like, dang, dang. But it's good. It's all good. But yeah, I'm going to do my little swoops, on both sides. And like I said, I still had a little bit of product, so my swoops were still kind of formed a little bit. So I'm just reinforcing them, I guess you would say. Like that. Dang. Give me about 4 years, y'all. I'm gonna have my nails back, my lashes back. All that's gonna be back. Well, I'm probably never gonna have my nails back like that, but I'm gonna be able to get them done. And I know I keep saying it, but I'm gonna let y'all know why I haven't been getting my nails and stuff done. It's coming. It's part of the reason why I'm pumping out these videos slower now, but it's coming. If you follow me on Instagram, on my personal page, it's in the bio, it's in my description. Follow my personal page, Bree_GEE_, you'll know why. But if you don't, then you just have to wait. But anyway, just to help these like look a little more, polished, I don't really do a retwist, but I just kind of like twist the hairs up that's like not inside the lock. I twist them up. I gotta go get another clip. I twist them up and then I just put the little pins on them. And I either like take them out before I leave. It depends on how long I have them in there. Or I just go ahead and just leave them on there until I'll get to my destination. And then I'll put my scarf on top of that. I just like my stuff to be, a little polished. And I know a lot of people out here like locks don't have to be manicured or blah blah blah, but every now and then I do like to have my locks looking good. But I'm trying to get into like just letting my locks be and not always having to like have them polished and stuff. So y'all see I put the clip on the other side too. And then like I said, I'm gonna get my gorilla snot, and then I like to go on top of my cream of nature. Once upon a time though, I did not have to put this gorilla snot on top. Like when I used to do my halo braids with my loose natural hair, my cream of nature lasted. So I don't know. These places, these companies do be changing these formulas. They do be changing them. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and use the same gorilla snot that I used to go on top of my cream of nature to do my little swoop-esque thing with my sideburns. Y'all know I love that. What y'all think about my locks being combined? Like when I look at old pictures of my locks loose, my locks, I have more locks. Like when I had like 150 something, I'd be like, dang, I wish I had that. But I could do kind of like this because it takes less time to retwist my hair. They don't look bad. And like the longer it goes with the combining process, I know it's taking a longer time because I could have went to the shop and got it done. But it's starting to look good. Like I'll do more updates. I'm recording this right now, August 28th. And I think I did this back in like April. So this is the finished look, y'all. Tell me what y'all think. I like it a lot. My little barrels are a little, you know, lopsided. But yeah, I did this back in May, and so I'm recording this in August. So I'm gonna give y'all an update on how my hair look now, and I really like my combined locks. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at itsBreeG. Tell a friend, comment what y'all want me to try on my hair. If y'all have questions, let me know. Any suggestions on my hair, let me know. And until next time, I don't know when that'll be. Hopefully I got another video coming up next week. I don't know. But until next time, y'all, thank y'all so much for the support. I love y'all so much. Bye.